Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can leave a review on the Just Eat app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Just Eat app, and once your app is opened up, you will end up in its homepage, where all you need to do is simply tap on the settings option. Once you tap it in, all you need to do is tap on the how are we doing option, and here you need to select an emoticon to rate your experience and then simply type in your review about the app. After you are done typing in the review, press on the submit button, and in matter of seconds your review will be saved on the app. So this is how you leave a review on the Just Eat app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.